to help us not display so much in the description. Beautiful red and white roses on this fine white china from Cuthbertson is a nearly perfect match for the red roses on the petite point tea cozy. So, well, that might not be too much description. Let's first edit our CSS file so that we can get a better look at how much text that is. So let's see, if I remember right, let's open our CSS file. Okay. We could set a default text size up in the body tag if we wanted to. However, let's create some text for the body. So we're going to call this body text. And just so that we can get this done quickly, I'm just going to grab our navigation text here and paste. So we have the same font family. We're going to do, oh, well, since these are in TDs and table headers, let's do that first. So let's create our table headers, and we can do 10 point, that's fine. Color's fine. And it's a bold. So we'll copy this, and let's do the table data, which we'll make smaller, 8 point, and also thinner. So let's see what that looks like. Now the THs does not look like it's taking effect. So let's see what we did wrong here. Go in index. Yeah, those are THs, and TDs. Oh, well, we do have to make sure they're different there, so save that. Mistakes like that happen a lot. Well, that's getting better. We can keep formatting, and I think we should, so that it looks a little bit better. One thing we really need to do is add some padding to this table. So let's add 5 pixels there. Getting better. Let's also add a header to say that this is something that was results or found items or something like that. So products found. And also this is a little bit too much text, so we're going to reduce that as well. Now we have to count our cells here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. TH span equals 5. We're just going to say numFound, which is a command that you can use inside a search context to spit out how many records were found. numFound products were found. And th and tr. So did that, and the other thing we wanted to do was limit the description here. So what we're going to do we'll just quickly attack this by using WebDNA's get chars command. So start equals 1 and end equals let's get the first 100 characters. There's a little bit cleaner ways to do this, but just to keep this going, we're going to just get this done quickly. Okay, so let's see what we got here. That's better. That's better. 2 products were found. Notice how that's centering it. Let's left align the table headings. I'm going to go in our CSS file, text, align, left. And also, it's up a little high to me, so let's fix that as well. Where am I at? Oh, did I close my? I must have closed the BB edit. Let's open that back up because we need that. All right, so in our CSS file, now what we can do to make this nicer is, I think we have it. This already, the body is already. Yeah, it's already in a class called content here. So we can use that. And I haven't, oh, there it is right there. So yeah, we can use this. Let's just test this out by putting some bigger top padding in there. That looks a little better. So 2 products found, so maybe a little less, 30. Refresh. Yeah, a little less. That's not bad. And you notice we click on any one of these categories and it's going to list all the products that relate to that category. Instead of skew, we could have a small image here. That would be nicer. Instead of skew, let's put an image. Also, let's make the header text a little smaller, I think. Okay, so we made the header text a little smaller. Now let's go here and we can take out this and let's find the name, go back to our header here. Oops. Notice we have a photo name. I think that's probably it. So I'm just going to copy that and we go back here and we're going to create our image source equals, I think it was called p images, and then we can use that since we're within a found items loop of the products database, we have access to all the header names of that database. And if we put in photo name here,